British luxury supercar brand McLaren has brought its lightest and most powerful series production car, the new 750S in India, is 5.91 crore. The 750S replaces the outgoing 720S and is now available in both coupe and a spider guise. In terms of engine, the 750 comes with the same M840T engine as the 720S, but with plenty of revisions. The 4.0 litre twin turbo flatman V8 now produces 750 HP and 800 Newton meters of torque without any electrical assist. In terms of design, the 750S comes with new front bumper which incorporates a larger splitter for optimized aero performance, large air intakes to boost cooling and slim new LED headlights. On the back, it comes with a noticeably larger active rear wing which has a 20% larger surface area and is claimed to boost both downforce and stopping performance. On the inside, McLaren says it has designed the cockpit to minimize distraction and promote the connection between the driver and the road. The instrument display now moves with the steering column to optimize visibility for all drivers. It comes with an 8-inch central touchscreen for new and easier access buttons for launch control and aerodynamic adjustment controls. To tackle the Indian roads, the 750S also gets a suspension lift function that can be deployed in just 4 seconds and now can be accessed via a button on the dashboard. In terms of engine, the 750S comes with a new triple layer head gasket, new twin fuel pumps, high pressure turbos, lighter pistons and a standard fit sport exhaust exiting through the center of the rear deck. The newly calibrated engine offers improved power delivery. McLaren claims the vehicle can accelerate 10% faster than the 720S across the board. This means the 750S can go from 0 to 100 kph in just 2.8 seconds and only needs another 4.4 seconds to clock 200 kph. The top speed is at 331 kph.